Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today this video lecture we're going to be solving this problem, that is rotate image. Basically we are given n into n 2D matrix representing an image. We have to rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. We have to rotate the image in place. That means we have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Let's not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. Let's see how we're gonna do that. So that's the problem statement. We have this initial matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the final matrix is 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, right? So we have to change this matrix to this final matrix. Let's see how we can do that. So to solve this problem, let's observe the patterns. Let's observe the final matrix. The final matrix is this, that is 741, and here we can see that 147 is the first column, or let's rather observe the first row, which is 1 2 3. It is the last column here in the final matrix. The second row is 4 5 6. It's the second column in the final matrix. We have 7 8 9, which is the first column in this final matrix. So we have to change it. We have to change this initial matrix to this final matrix. So let's see how we can do that. Now this matrix is rotated to clockwise direction by 90 degrees, right? It's rotated to clockwise direction by 90 degrees. So what we have to do is we have to rotate this matrix. So let's see how we can do that. Now to do so, what we can do is this matrix, in this matrix, the first step to change this matrix to this matrix is to first take the transpose of this matrix. Why? So let's take the transpose of this matrix. It would be, so we have the matrix that we have here is, so it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The matrix that we have is, it's the, let's take the transpose of the initial matrix. It would be 1 5 9. So taking the transpose of a matrix means this is the diagonal of this matrix, and we just have to put these elements which are below this diagonal above the diagonal, and the elements which are above the diagonal below the diagonal. Means we have to swap this element with this. The element here is at 1 0. The element at this position is 0 1. Swap them. Swap this element which is at 2 0. Swap this element which is at this with this one which is at 0 2, right? Swap these two elements and so on, right? So let's see how we can do that. 1 2 3. So it will be like 2 4. Then we'll have 7 3. Then we'll have 6 8. This is the final matrix. Now here from this matrix we have to bring this matrix. This is the final matrix. This is the answer matrix. 147, here we have 741. 258, here we have 852. 369, here we have 963, right? So how, let's see how we can do that. So here what we have to do is we have to rotate every single row of this matrix. 147 741, 258 852, 369 963, right? So let's see how we can do that. Just rotate every single row of the matrix. That's all we have to do, and we'll get our answer. So to get the final matrix, all we have to do is we have here initial matrix, which is this one. So this initial matrix, the first step for is to take the transpose of this matrix, and the second step is to just reverse every single row of the matrix, right? So let's see how we can do that. So to solve this problem, we have to follow these two steps. So let's first follow the first step. Take the transpose of the matrix, that is swap matrix I j with matrix j I, right? So that's what we have. This is the transpose of the matrix. So we start from every single row, and then for every row I start from that element. So from the first row I start from the element number 0, from the second row I start from this element number 1, from the third row I start from this element, right? So let's see how we can do that. So now reverse every single row of the matrix. So to do so, what we have to do is iterate over every single row, and for every single row swap matrix I j with matrix j I. Fine, that's all we have to do, right? So let's see the resultant. Okay, we don't know what is n here. The n is nothing but the size of the matrix. So I do not have to swap ij with this. We have to swap ij with I n minus j minus 1. Let's run it. Let's try to submit it. So that's all for this video. We have done our work. What we have to do now is that's all. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.